So let's talk about the energies of October. So the energy of October is a 10. And the 10 in tarot is the wheel of fortune. So things are about to change, especially after that 9 dense, heavy energy, especially planetary shifts, comes karmic lessons that you've learned. That brings about change. And so you're starting something new. You put in all your tools and all your knowledge and wisdom, everything you have into building something new. And so you become the magician. You make miracles happen. And when that happens, the sun is also part of October, which is 19. Although 19 becomes a 1, we're in a year 9 as well. So this is all about creating your joy and your happiness in your career, in your relationships. And so what a beautiful energy this is for October. 10, 1, and 19, all connected to October. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you soon.